I guess, depending on the course. Is it like an introductory real analysis thing? Like the first class of the sequence? You want to learn up to uniform convergence. Oh, so it's not necessarily for a course? Just something you're curious about? Um, and when you say algebra, do you mean like the algebra that you typically learn in high school? Yeah, self-study. Um, so what typically happens in a real analysis class, depending on how it's approached, is there are some preliminary stuff that gets set up, some basic facts about like set theory, um, because everything that you're talking about is sets. Um, there's stuff about topology, especially, which is quite important as a sort of basis for doing real analysis. Um, but usually, a lot of that stuff is included in a textbook or in a course. Do you have a book or something like that that you're wanting to study from? Okay, here's the answer to your question. Yes, it's possible to do that. But what's more typical, and I think for good reason, is that students will have had some familiarity already with upper division math, because real analysis is I would say, a difficult first math course to get into. In other words, if you are you need some degree of what people call mathematical sophistication in order to properly learn, particularly if you're self-studying something like real analysis. And I'm not making any judgments. I don't know you quite very well, Perps. I know you ask very good questions, and that's awesome. But a lot of people, in my experience, do not possess that mathematical maturity until they're sort of eased into it through some less brain busting or nut crunching um, courses. But at the same time, I don't think it would hurt to try. At worst, what happens is you don't know what the hell is happening, and then you have to go back to you have to find a way to fill in the gaps, and those gaps might represent like just gaps in your knowledge, and you keep going back and back and forth and back and forth, slowly making your way through things. So I don't want to say it's impossible, but what you might benefit from is some experienced guidance in that regard. And I mean, of course, I'm here for you. If I'm streaming, I'm more than happy to suggest and give you advice or whatever. But I do think it's a tough one. I think real analysis is a tough subject, even in the best of conditions. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take the three. I don't know. I only have 66 HP. 7 HP is a big, or HP is a big bonus. Oh, I don't know. We're going to roll the dice. So what this does is it makes any enemies that I encounter between here and it makes them 1 HP. The next 3 fights. So I can go, I can try to get to this burning elite. I have 2 campfires along the way. I got 4 question marks in a row. And there's a very good chance that at one of these question marks I'll get an enemy encounter. I'm going to just try it. We're going to try it. Okay. Set up, dodge and roll, heel hook. I hate all these cards. I mean, dodge and roll is good, but it's not good now, is the problem. Like, in this game, the big thing is trying to prepare for the elites that you find on this floor. And dodge and roll is not the kind of card that you want. What you want in the very beginning are big damage cards. Maybe I'll try heel hook. I don't know. Like, my immediate impression of this card is not good, but maybe it's okay. I don't know. Okay, we'll try it. Just for science, as they say. Remove a card, transform a card, or upgrade a card. I think I can... Do I want to remove a strike? I mean, it's like my biggest damage card are these dumb strikes. This always feels like too much of a gamble. Upgrading might be good. In particular, upgrading neutralize. I think I'll do that. Neutralize is a card that costs 0, so it gets used every single time it comes up. Oh, wow. Okay, sure. All right. That's actually not as bad. That's not bad at all. Match and keep. Do I want to dodge and roll for free? No, not really. A second neutralize? Wow, do I want a second neutralize? It seems kind of fun for some reason. Sure. I'm going to do it. This is probably the kind of decision that makes me do stupid decision, but yeah. Okay. This is fine. Okay, here we go. These are good cards. Poison stab, deadly poison. Poison stab is not close because there is an elite on this floor that you get when you're fighting it, you get punished for using skills. We're going to upgrade poison stab. Wow, early catalyst. Hand of Greed is also cool, but I don't have enough. These are all out of my price range. Poison potion, speed potion, strength potion. I think it's got to be catalyst, and I ignore I just wish I had enough money for a card remove, but I don't. Oh, I can afford a potion. I'll take a poison potion. I'm only going to get one elite on this fight, or in this floor, which is very bad. Oh well. What can you do? I have anything? Yeah. Orichalcum is really good in the beginning. Hey, if anybody's got a math question, this is not supposed to be a Slay the Spire stream or anything like that. Please ask, okay? Oh, wow, Helix, okay. So this thing gives you, well, it blocks the first time you would lose HP. That's insanely good. Crippling Cloud is bananas. All these cards are bananas. I think, though, it's got to be Crippling Cloud. Okay. I need more cards. I need more card rewards. Shop is no good right now. We'll go this way.